26, 2026, at 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The U.S. National Weather Service has issued a cheddar and barbecue wavy and sour cream and onion equals a 3 layers dip stack warning for the Kansas City metro area. This event is expected to cause moderate to severe damage to property, as well as injuries or deaths if caught outside. For your safety, stay indoors at the lowest level, or a central room with no windows, and do not let anyone inside your home. Law enforcement will also not be available at this time until the event has ended.